Research shows that blending different modes can make language acquisition more efficient, so our students can learn better.
Hi, I'm Hedvig from Gallery Teachers. Welcome to our channel. If you are an English teacher or considering becoming one, make sure that you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for our weekly TEFL teaching tips.
How many times have you found that perfect story or video only to realize it's too long or just way beyond your students' comprehension level? Think about those moments when you've tried to bring a story to life. Maybe you pulled up a few images, acted out a scene, or added some sound effects just to make the lesson stick. We've all been there, trying to blend different elements to help our students connect with the material and learn from it. In a sense, multimodal storytelling is already integrated into much of what we do in the classroom. We've been using it for years in different ways, mixing stories and story-based activities with images, incorporating pantomime, or using videos with and without sound, all to bring various modes together to support learning. And there's a good reason for this. Research shows that blending different modes can make language acquisition more efficient, so our students can learn better. Yet we've often been limited to what's in our course books, or the materials available from publishers or public sources like YouTubers or bloggers. And let's be real, what are the chances of finding an authentic story that checks all the boxes? Not often, right? That's where AI steps in and makes a difference. We all know that struggle of trying to find that perfect balance using a mix of text, images, sound, and video to make authentic stories more understandable without losing their learning value. AI is opening up new possibilities for storytelling and story-based activities, helping us achieve things that seemed impossible or technically challenging before. It allows us to move beyond traditional text-based lessons, blending text, images, sound, animations, and whatnot into stories to create richer learning experiences. AI tools can help us bridge that gap, making things that once seemed challenging or almost impossible actually doable. But here's the thing, AI isn't some magic solution that does all the work for us. It's just another tool in our ever-growing teaching toolkit. And we still have to trust our instincts and teaching experience to know how and when to use it effectively. Sometimes a simple text with a couple of images is all that's needed. Other times, you'll want to get more creative, adding sound, maybe a video clip, blending multiple modes to create richer learning experiences for your students. Ultimately, it's about understanding your students and knowing what works best for them. And how do you use stories and story-based activities? What works with your students? Let us know in the comments below.